Tricount versus Splitwise, which one is better? So both Tricount and Splitwise are great apps for managing shared expenses, but they cater to slightly different needs. Splitwise is more well-known option, offering a user-friendly experience for splitting bills among friends, family, roommates. It supports multi-currencies, integrates with PayPal and Venmo for easy repayments, and provides expense breakdowns. However, some advanced features like expense exporting and detailed analytics requires the Splitwise Pro subscription. Tricount, on the other hand, is better suited for group travel and irregular expense sharing situations. It also allows users to add expenses without requiring everyone to sign up, making it more flexible. Tricount's biggest advantage is its fair split algorithm, which helps optimize repayments so fewer transactions are needed. Unlike Splitwise, which usually balance debts one to one, Tricount minimizes the number of payments by redistributing balances across the group. So now, which one should you choose? So choose Splitwise if you regularly split expenses with friends or roommates, want a simple interface with PayPal Venmo integration, and prefer detailed expense tracking with reports. Choose Tricount if you frequently split costs on group trips or regular outings, want to minimize the number of payments, need an app where not everyone has to sign up for. So my final verdict, if you need a simple everyday expense splitting app, Splitwise is the better choice. But if you're managing group travel expenses and want an optimized repayment method, Tricount is the way to go.